Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's Merritt and today I'm pretty excited about what we're doing today. We are driving down to Napa to see Joey, aka Sticker Bomb Miata. Chad just got here. We're gonna put a new exhaust on the Miata. I'm really excited. It finally won't sound like this. Damn, it's smoky. It's really cold outside. It's dying probably. Chad just got here, so there he is with the sob. But I'm pretty excited. We're warming up the car. I just loaded up a couple tools in there just in case anything happens along the way. And we're gonna go get gas, because we always gotta get gas. And we're gonna go. Alright, so hope you could enjoy. And we made it. We started off by jacking up the car, and I went with taking off the catalytic converter. I just unbolted the first two bolts that are on there. They were fairly new. I replaced them recently, so weren't too hard to get off. And while I was cutting myself, Joey started by taking the exhaust hangers off. It's like my new baby. This is my new child. And finally, the new exhaust is going on. Bro, my hands are absolutely destroyed. But it's okay, because, you know, we're living life. And now the whole thing was on, and I went back and made sure that all of the bolts were super tight so that I didn't have any exhaust leaks. And it was all finished, yay! We were putting the car down, and now it's time to hear it. Bro, this is my entire arm. Okay, are you ready?
Sure.
Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Alright, boys. This is what we worked for. Day 2 of the exhaust install. Yesterday we got the exhaust in there. It sounds amazing. We did it at Joey's house and I had a wonderful time. I really enjoyed it. It was so much fun. Totally worth the drive out there. I loved it. But on the way home we did notice that the exhaust was rattling against my axle and realized it's probably my exhaust hanger bushings. So we're gonna replace those today. And hopefully that fixes it because I wanna listen to the exhaust, not the rattling. Even though it'll probably still rattle anyway. But I'm really excited to get this done. I really wanna drive the car. The exhaust sounds so good. So hopefully we'll do that. It fixes it. We're gonna take it on a little test drive again, make sure that it's all good. And you are coming with us. So please enjoy. I'm still waiting on Chad to get here, but I hope you enjoy the video.
Sponsored by O'Reilly's.
Okay, sponsored by O'Reilly's. Just kidding. We're not sponsored. We got these 2 different types of hangers. I don't know how to open this. Well, that didn't really work the way I thought it would. Okay, I'm back. Whoa. Hangers. Gotta open them up. There we go. This one, they feel pretty strong. Hopefully they work better. I don't know if you can tell, but there's zip ties right in there. So we got this one and we got this kind. So we're gonna get started on putting these bad boys on. First I gotta cut off those zip ties. And we realized while we were taking off the hangers that I jacked up the wrong side of the car, so oops. Okay, so we're letting it warm up. We're super excited. We're gonna take it for a ride. He's gonna be my cameraman, and it's gonna be such a good time. Hopefully it doesn't rattle against the axle anymore. I'm really hoping that fixes it. If not, I'm probably gonna get like poly bushings, and that should work. There's still a little bit of flex in there, but it's definitely not as bad. Really? Okay, so he's gonna go park his car, and I'm gonna pull the car out of the garage, and it's gonna scrape, so here we go. So we're gonna see if it scrapes really bad or not. Fingers crossed it doesn't. It's not that bad. It's for sure just hanging out. So let's do it. Okay, I did take it pretty slow, but it did scrape. Alright, well that is it for now. The exhaust sounds amazing. I'm really having a good time. It didn't hit the axle, not once, never. So I'm really hoping this is like, it's gonna work for a while, because I really just want to drive it at this point. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, do your thing. But yeah, that's it for now. Bye!